Hey, what's up? You know I have tested many wireless earbuds on our channel, Tech Brothers, from the budget to flagship models, but I have never seen earbuds like this. They have a charging case that is only 12.7mm thick. The earbuds themselves are also very compact. The name of these wireless earbuds is NexiGo Air T2, and we will do an unboxing and full review of them in this video. Hit the like button and let's get started. The main feature of these wireless earbuds is ultra-thin design. That's why we can see this inscription on the front and back of the box. There's also specifications listed on the back. Inside the box we have a charging case and earbuds, USB Type-C cable and user manual. NexiGo Air T2 have semi-in-ear design, so you don't need silicone ear tips. Let's talk more about design of the new earbuds. First, I want to show you NexiGo Air T2 in comparison with other wireless earbuds that I have. As you can see, a charging case of NexiGo earbuds is much thinner than others. The earbuds themselves are also more compact. The dimensions of NexiGo charging case are 83 by 34 by 12.7mm. The weight of charging case with earbuds is only 36 grams. You know, the body and the lid of the charging case are made of metal. It is very nice to touch and hold in one hand. There is USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. Even without opening the lid of the case, we can see the right and left earbuds, as well as battery level. By the way, I have a black option of earbuds, and they are also available in white color. They also look very nice in the white color. Just like a charging case, the earbuds are very compact. To be honest, I think they are too small for me. It took me some time to get used to them. However, the earbuds are very lightweight, so you almost don't feel them in your ears. There is a brand logo and touch button on the outside. The microphone hole is at the bottom. We will check a microphone quality later in this video. The earbuds have aptX 5 waterproof rating. It means that you can do sports with these wireless earbuds, because they are not afraid of sweat. Now let's talk about control functions of NexiGo Air T2. The earbuds have touch control buttons on these silver areas. With a double tap on them, you can play pause the music. The triple tap on the left earbud switches to the previous song, and a triple tap on the right earbud switches to the next song. You can also tap on the left or right earbuds 4 times to activate voice assistant. There is no gaming mode or volume control on these wireless earbuds. Before testing the latency, microphone and sound quality, I want to tell you about some important specifications. NexiGo Air T2 are equipped with Qualcomm QCC3040 Bluetooth chipset. It provides fast pairing with mobile device and stable connection. The earbuds also support aptX decoding technology. By the way, Bluetooth version is 5.2. As already said, the new wireless earbuds from NexiGo don't have gaming mode, so we need to check the latency in games. You know, the latency is really low. You can comfortably play games with NexiGo wireless earbuds. NexiGo Air T2 have dual mic and CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. Now I am going to turn on the noise simulation on my computer and record the sound on the earbuds microphone.
Hey guys, this sound is recorded on NexiGo Air T2 wireless earbuds. And this is how you would sound when you use a new NexiGo TWS earbuds for phone calls. Do you like it? Write in the comments below.
I think it is not secret that earbuds with silicone ear tips sound better than earbuds with semi-in-ear design. This is especially noticeable on the bass. NexiGo Air T2 have a large 13mm dynamic driver, but the bass is very low. To be honest, I can barely hear it. However, the treble and clarity are very good. If you're a fan of vocal or instrumental music, then these earbuds are for you. Talking about battery, I didn't expect much from the ultra-thin charging case and compact earbuds. However, the case still has very good battery capacity of 300 mAh. The earbuds have a 35 mAh battery capacity. A playtime on a single charge is about 6 hours. The total battery life with charging case is about 28 hours. You know, this is very good battery life for the thinnest wireless earbuds. So it's time to sum up. Let's start with cons. First, NexiGo earbuds are very compact, and it took me some time to get used to them. If you're a big guy with big ears, maybe the earbuds will be small for you, and they will fall out. There's also no gaming mode and volume control. The lack of volume control is a big problem for me, because I need to take the smartphone to change the volume. As for the sound quality, it is about the same as other earbuds with semi-in-ear design. I miss the bass, but overall the sound is clear. As for the pros of NexiGo earbuds, this is ultra-thin charging case. You can carry it in your jeans pocket without any problems. By the way, the case is made of metal, and it is quite durable. The connection with smartphone is very fast and stable, thanks to Qualcomm chipset. The battery life is also very good for such compact earbuds. So NexiGo Air T2 are not the perfect earbuds, but they are definitely worth your attention. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.